So it looks like a very hyped project is going to release on a couple of major crypto launchpads. I'm personally going to invest in this project right here, but I also run a project myself, which we use to also invest in crypto pre-sales. So I want to, go over the project to see like, are we going to invest in this or not? Welcome to the FOMO Factory. Like the video if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and let's get right into it. Now, as you might know, I love to review just crypto launchpad projects like AITech, because I just want to cover the things that I am personally investing in to be as transparent as possible. But as you may know, I am also running the project What Do You Meme? And with What Do You Meme? What we do is we have a small buy and sell tax, and we use that to invest in crypto launchpads as well. And the profits we make from that, you can claim those profits yourself on our dashboard. Now, very good news. We got listed on CoinGecko with What Do You Meme this week. So if you fill it in right here, you can find our project here at CoinGecko. We also got listed on CoinMarketCap. So good news already. So we have quite some money in our Launchpad wallet already, right? And let me refresh this, by the way. Let me check. Yeah, okay, it's looking a little, yeah, okay, fine. We got a couple of bucks already in our Launchpad wallet, and I think that we might use that to already invest in AI tech. So what is AI tech? How are the tokenomics? How is the vesting schedule? Who's the team? Does it look good? Is it worth to invest in this or not? Let's take a look. So the Twitter, and we're also going to look like where are they going to launch, of course, right? But the Twitter, 96,000 followers. But if I look at the interaction, it's also not that bad. Sometimes you see projects with a lot of followers and they don't really have interaction, right? And that's kind of sad. They do. So they are at least going to release on Decubate. But they are also going to release on Seedify. We know for a fact that this is Seedify. They are also going to release on, this is Enjinstarter. And I heard that they're also going to release on DAOmaker. I'm not sure if that's the case, but at least Seedify and Enjinstarter. Well, these launchpads I'm already invested in, therefore I'm going myself all in on Seedify and Enjinstarter without really looking at the project already. And that's simply because Seedify and Enjinstarter have very good refund policies, right? So if we invest and the price somehow goes below the IDO price within a certain period, you get your money back anyway. Therefore, launchpads are the safest way of investing in crypto. So that's pretty cool. So the hype is on point. They got the interaction already. Now let's take a look at the project, and they're incubated by ChainGPT and Decubate, of course. So that's already looking good. Now let's take a look at what we can find right here. So let's start with the website, and the website, I can already tell you, I like the website. They made the website very interactive. If you scroll, then this is how you see it. Yeah, and of course, like that's the cover of the book, right? It's not the most important thing, but it is very important. So we are paving the way for a more convenient and secure future, by providing accessible. Sorry for my English, by the way, and it's early, so I suck at this right now. It's AI. Okay, we're going to take a look if there's a more easy description to read what they are actually doing. Problem with EU outsourcing HPC in US. Latency, security, cost. Okay, cool. Let's take a look what we can find about this. Oh, they had the solution right here as well. It's fast, secure, power consumption saved 40%, expected to be top 10 overall, #1. Okay. Look, this is very technical, right? It's super technical. And I think you have to know a little bit about this technical part to really understand the project. So I'm going to look up later like, okay, what's the, more If you have to explain it to a 5-year-old, aka me, how do you explain it? So this is the founder and head of international operations. Not a founder and head of technology and development. Okay, you can click on there and then you'll find a little bit more information about the team, of course. So let's take a look who they are, what they do actually. Because you want to know, and it's not that fast, by the way, but you want to know, like, who's the team, what's their experience, right? You bet on the team, basically, and not on the project itself. Like, therefore, I like Hypercycle a lot, for example. But this, fuck. Okay, here we find some information. Soft Galaxy is driven by a mission to leverage its expertise in hardware and software. Okay. There's a lot of information though. Full name, role, LinkedIn, description, photo. Nice. I like that. That's good. That's really good that they are so transparent with that. Okay. Shit. Let's go back. Paul. All right, Paul. Okay. They got some advisors right here. Strategic advisor. They got a lot of advisors though. Launchpad KOL advisor. I know this guy, I think. Yeah, so what you want to do, I'm gonna leave the link in the description down below. Like, go read it for yourself, because if I really do the research like I do my research, this is gonna be a boring 2-hour video with me not talking. All right, that's basically what it is. So, but yeah, it's fine, man. It's fine. Like, they got a big team, so that's good. Let's take a look. Launchpads, yeah, Decubate, well, Seedify, Enjinstarter, and probably DAOmaker. They have partners, Decubate, ChainGPT, okay, Binance Smart Chain, of course, HPC partners, got Open World, Born to Die. Cool, that's nice. That's a cool game. Nice, I like it. They are Certic audit, by the way. Solidity Finance, that's nice. Certic top 10%. It's really good. If you know how many projects are actually audited by Certic. Pre-launch, plan go-to-market strategy. Apply for top tier Launchpads. Okay, that's what they did. Let me take a look. What is there that's maybe not confirmed them? Interviewing additional team members. Cool. Feature PR, publications, KOL collaborations, new team members announcements, live initial listing on DEX and CEX. Okay, that's nice as well. Usually you see a lot of new projects also, well, not usually, but sometimes you see them just launch on PancakeSwap or whatever. And that's not bad if you are a small coin like we, with What Do You Mean are. But I know for a fact that this project already raised $3 million, right? You cannot not list on a CEX if you raised $3 million. Let me show you this right here. CryptoRank.io. It's a very helpful website. If you see a new project, you can find that project here. So Solidus AI here. The private sale, that's what they have right here for now. They don't have information on the pre-sale and etc. yet, but they raised $1.5 million on their private sale, and they raised $1.5 million on their seed sale as well. Now, what I really like, they have a 3-month cliff and then a linear vesting for 50 months and here for 21 months. I'm going to show you the tokenomics in a second, but this is not standing in the way for us at the public sale. So that's what I really like. But they already raised $3 million. $3 million. That's a lot. Okay, that's a lot. These are all the partners, by the way. So you can find them right here. If you, it's always good to look like what the partners are and who they are. It says something about, you know, if they have no single partners, then why is nobody taking this project seriously, right? They have big partners. They have some big partners and quite a lot as well. Tokenomics are here. I'm gonna show you that in a second, by the way. That's the most important thing, I think, in this case. It's all about the money, right? Post-launch, so after the launch. AITech claim and vesting portal live. AITech staking platform. Additional listings on CEXs. I don't know how to pronounce that because I'm not a tech, but EAS platform version 1 launched. Feature and PR publications contribute to build our community. Additional service orders. Complete financials for equity offerings to go live, and meetings with VCs to discuss equity offerings. Okay. Fine, cool. So I like that. What they already, they have quite some information. And if you go all above at the website, you can find the white paper right here. So that's some very important stuff where you can find more information about what it is, of course. So read it for yourself. But let me take a look if there is something that I can find which makes me able to explain it very simply to you. That's all already, right? That's nice. Revenue streams. Artificial intelligence as a service, okay? Blockchain as a service. High performance computing power. Artificial intelligence marketplace. Token utilities. Yeah, nice. Nice. Let me take a look. I want to go back to the introduction though. Successfully constructed an environmentally conscious state-of-the-art high-performance computing data center spanning over 8,000 square feet. This facility is strategically situated in a highly secure European location. It's quite fucking crazy though. 8,000 square feet, that's a lot. That's really a lot. Oh my God. Okay, crazy stuff. This is big, dude. This is really big. This is really big. Okay, cool. Let me first take you to the tokenomics. This is nice. So the tokenomics, what up? Well, can I zoom in on this? I can't zoom in. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. All right, cool. So stage, seed, private, pre-public, and public. Okay. We are going to go with the public. That's on Seedify and on Enjinstarter, etc. Now, we will get with the public 1% of the total supply, right? So that's going to the public sale. The seed, for example, and the private get a lot, all right? A lot. So when you compare that, you might be like, okay, shit, are the seed and the private going to dump on us? Well, then we can take a look at the vesting schedule, right? Public, we will get a vesting in 4 months. We get 20% at TGE. And you know what's so nice? We are the only one that gets something at TGE together with the liquidity and a little bit of staking, right? For the rest, nobody gets shit at TGE. So we're the only one. Nobody can dump on us. That's cool. Then we will get tokens. No, let me take a look where it is. We get a vest. Yeah, so we get a lock of 0. So after the TGE, it won't be locked. There is no cliff whatsoever. And after that, we get a 4 months vesting, right? So we get a vesting in 4 months. So that's what I really like as well. If you now, for example, look at seed, yeah, they get nothing at TGE, right? Then they have to wait 3 months and then they get a vesting for 21 months. So by the time the seed investors get their first vesting, we already had our last. Same goes for the private, right? So that's very nice. Pre-public also 3 months lock. Marketing 4 months lock, right? Then play to earn, team, advisors, all locked. So I think that the public sale can go up quite hard on this one. It's not that I feel like I want to hold these tokens. Definitely not. Right? So we buy at the public sale. We get them vested without anybody else standing in our way. But after those couple of months, the rest get invested as well. And especially the seed, right? They get them for a quite cheap price, as you can see right here. Half a cent. We pay 2. All right. So the seed investors have automatically a forex, right? They will dump if they are smart, and they are, because they are seed investors, right? So they will dump. Doesn't matter if this project is going to do 100x in the next bull run. I don't know, because there is a lot of tokens to get vested. So the project has to do 100x in the next bull run to keep maintaining the same price or the same market cap, if you know what I mean. Now you must see that, let me take a look where it is. There's an initial market cap without liquidity though for $368,000. Okay, 360. No, that's not true, because this is already with liquidity. So $368,000, the initial market cap. I think we can at least get our initial investment back on this one. 5x is definitely possible. Won't surprise me if it does more than that, right? I don't know, of course, I don't know. But, you know, overall, they're going to put $500,000 in liquidity as well. Like, they're going to put so much in liquidity from the beginning already, right? 270 compared to the 92,000 that releases for the pre-sale. So there is a way higher price floor than what there can be sold, to put it like that. I'm pretty sure we will get our investment back easy. So that's really nice. That's really nice. So therefore, I hope that it's possible to get a very big allocation on this one. Now, I can already show you that with Enjinstarter, they are going to raise $140,000. So that's not much, right? Enjinstarter is always like, they don't raise a lot, right? Seedify probably raises more than $400,000. I don't know if it's announced yet already. I can take a look at it. Let me take a look. Agreed to launch with Seedify. Okay. The date, by the way, has not been announced yet. All right. But Seedify, yeah, Enjinstarter, cool. But they haven't announced a date yet. I don't know how much Seedify is going to raise. What you can do is go to Seedify Fund and just search for the words raise. Maybe they say something like that. Yeah, how much you're raising for. It's a member of what do you mean, by the way. Will be announced. Okay, so we don't know yet. But yeah, I'm personally going all in. If I could have gone more all in that I already can, then I would have done that. So I really like this. They built for a long time, right? It's not a project that in January this year saw like, oh, AI is going to be big. Let's make something with AI. They are like, this is an old project already, right? And they wait their time. And now it's time to release. So I really like that. So let me take a look if there's something to be found right here. AI tech Solidus.
Hello everyone, you're on the Marka Haravan channel.
Look, this video is already 1 year old, right? People were waiting for this so long.
Company Solidus Technologies. Solidus AITech is building an eco-friendly high-performance computing (HPC) data center and an infrastructure as a service platform where governmental authorities, megacorps, SMEs, and some revolution government enterprise blockchain solution.
Yeah, okay.
Roadmap. And indeed, they don't do it.
Whatever, man. So yeah, now I'm gonna invest in this. Now I think that for what do you mean? I want to invest in this as well. But the thing is that this is our Launchpad wallet right now. Let me refresh. Here we go. We have $14,000 in it. We have tier 2 on Seedify. Now I can already tell you that that's not a lot, right? If you look for Seedify announcements and you search for tier, this is how I always look at it. So let me take a look. Look. I mean, this was one of the last ones, right? Where we raised, how much did we raise here? 400k. I think that this one is going to be a bit the same, give or take, right? With tier 2, you can invest like $13. All right. Then there, of course, is a first come, first serve round. That's usually the case. And that's, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5x this amount, right? But then, of course, still with our tier 2, we cannot invest like crazy with this one. Okay. The real fun really starts if we are in tier, well, at least 6. At least 6. Personally, I'm 8, but at least 6, right? And the goal is to go to 9, of course. Because from here, you know, 160, well, if you get a first come, first serve with a 5x, you can already invest like 1,000. You have a private sale with a couple of projects as well. So that's kind of double. Tier 9, you have even seed sales. So that, yeah, that's the goal, of course, right? But now with Seedify, we can invest like $13. With Seedify, we are able to go with tier 6 already with, what do you mean? However, for $160 at the moment, and I don't think that Seedify is now at a good price point to step up our tier that hard already, right? I want to get Seedify at cheaper levels than where we are right now. However, Enjinstarter is also really cheap. It's sitting way above its all-time high, but low, but it got crushed, right? I don't know if we're going back here though. Whoa, it's quite perfect, by the way, it is, but it's with Enjinstarter very simple because you can already get the highest tier with $1,700 right now. So I'm thinking to use around 2K for something like that to get Enjinstarter and participate on Enjinstarter for this project. I don't know how high the allocation is going to be, but that's what I'm going to do for What Do You Meme for sure. And I don't know, man. This project, it really looks good. I like the tokenomics. The team is solid. The hype is there. They have an experience which goes back for years. I like it. So I probably forgot about something. Yes, I did. Let me go back right here. And this is probably not announced yet, though. This is for sure. This is not announced. But maybe. Will be listed. Oh, really? Is this official? Is this an admin? It will be listed on multiple exchanges like Bitmart, crap, Maxi, crap, Lbank, crap, XT, crap, Coinstore, crap, LA Token, crap, Kanga, I don't even know it, so more crap. Oh, no, we are in discussion. Oh, look, this is way better already. This is the admin. No, we are in discussions with KuCoin, Gate, Bybit, BitGet. Okay. KuCoin and Bybit. Nice. Like Gate and BitGet can't hurt, but that's not like something that I'm getting excited about. But they have a little spoiler right here already. KuCoin. I don't know, guys, but from my experience lately, every KuCoin listing goes pretty good. So that would be really nice. So good listings as well. I like it. I really like it. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, let me know. Should we get our What Do You Meme? You know, that's the thing. If you do not know about our project, if you have What Do You Meme tokens, you can in a couple of weeks, once the app is really finished, you can go to our app. What Do You Meme? Crypto.app. You can stake your tokens right there. The more tokens you stake, the longer you stake, the higher your share is for these Launchpad profits, right? So this way you can stake it. You can already buy, What Do You Meme right here, for example, with your BNB and all of that. But you can stake it right there and then you can claim your profits. So let's say a project does 100x and we have like $100,000 sitting in the Launchpad wallet. You can go right here and depending on how much you're staking, you can literally click claim and you get your share of the profits. So that's the idea for the What Do You Meme, if you do not know that yet. So therefore, short review on the project. It's like, it's super technical. So sorry, I know that I wasn't really able to explain it to you good, but this is something that I'm checking out while turning on my camera. I will read into it later, and I will make a follow-up once it's completely clear to me what they exactly do. But to be honest, the most important thing for me is the hype and the tokenomics at this stage of the market. People don't give a fuck about utility, to be honest. It's not a long-term hold for me anyway. So that's it for now, guys. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe to... Was there a delay? Whatever. Subscribe to the channel. Join the What Do You Meme Telegram link down below, and I'll see you guys soon.